supersonic. I got a lock.
After a US MQ-9 Reaper drone was downed by a Russian Su-27 fighter jet over the Black Sea, the US Air Force has now deployed its advanced F-22 Raptors to Poland to strengthen NATO's defenses. In a show of force, American F-22 Raptor fighter jets landed in Poland on a rotational mission to enhance NATO's defense capabilities and counter potential threats from Russia. With the latest deployment, the Raptors are poised to soar over NATO's eastern flank, close to Russia. These F-22s are from the 94th Fighter Squadron, based in Langley-Eustis Air Force Base in Virginia, and will take over the fighter mission from the F-15 aircraft, belonging to the Royal Air Force Lakenheath's 48th Fighter Wing. The USAF noted, the airbase in Poland provides the United States with the necessary infrastructure and proximity to allies and partners, which is crucial for executing various missions along the eastern flank, as well as in the Baltic Sea and Black Sea regions. This arrangement facilitates close collaboration between coalition forces, improving interoperability and joint efforts. The F-22 Raptor was developed during the late 1980s and early 1990s to replace the F-15 Eagle. It was designed as the world's first fifth-generation fighter jet, with stealth being a crucial feature.